How to create a circular cross design in Affinity Designer. Key tool, the arrow tool. Let's go there, find it in Tools panel. You can set the stroke fill if you don't want to apply a style later. So just apply it to the document, just drag it across there. Once you've done that, you can go to the top bar and you can set various things. You can set the start at the end, set it to a circle, and set it to a circle again, both ends. And what you can do, you can resize the circle. And just drag those control points. You can see a little red there. Just drag it to the left and it will create a perfect circle. What you can then do is you go up to the Move tool and then hold down the Alt or Option key and drag. Rotate it. Now select both of those designs, because what you want to do is align it. Now maybe it's perfectly aligned now. I don't think it is. So just go to alignments there and you've got align horizontally and vertically. Just go to the middle options there. That's been done now. And go to the add. And that will combine it into one shape. Now you can go to View and Studio and Styles. And that will display the Styles panel. There's the Styles panel. And just go through that. Just select maybe a gold one or a silver one. Up to you. And you've got a whole range of different styles to choose from. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. I'm always adding new tutorials about Affinity Designer, Affinity Photo, Illustrator, Photoshop, etc. Please add a comment or two, always appreciated. A dislike or like. Thank you much.